Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Doris. I'm here to share with you about my stock account. Today my stock account has made a loss of $41.49, which is a loss of 0.06%. Right now the net asset of my account is $73,054.52. Today my Apple closed down 0.52% as it released its new Q3 financial reports, as QOQ closed down 3.49%, as the market generally having a positive performance. On the other hand, SPY closed up 0.9691% to 434.69, and United Natural Gas closed down 0.41% to 7.26. The market generally showed a positive sentiment. Nasdaq Composite closed up 1.38%. S&P 500 closed up 0.94%, and Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 0.66%. Today, the semiconductor and the banking industries led with a gain as the new farms payroll data get released and the stocks market rose more than 5% in this week. The Dow posted its biggest weekly gain in a year. The October non-farm payroll data reinforced market expectations as a possible end of the Fed rate hike. The Treasury yields plunged, with the 10-year yield briefly falling below 4.5%. All three U.S. major indexes rose for more than 5% this week, as investors' expectations for the Fed's rate hike rose. A sharp drop in Treasury yields pushed U.S. stocks higher. Yields continued to fall on Friday, with the 10-year Treasury yield falling as much as 4.5% and falling as low as 4.484% on the day. The market continues to watch U.S. earnings. Apple announced its fourth quarter revenue and earnings both beat expectation, but overall sales fell for the fourth straight month. The company also issued weak revenue guidance. Block was higher after beating earnings estimates and raising its full-year guidance. Paramount Global announced strong quarterly growth. The October non-farm payrolls data were far weaker than expected, and the market believes that the Fed rate hike cycle is over. Friday's highlight is the non-farm payroll data. The data shows that the U.S. job growth slowed more than expected in October, in part because the Auto Workers Federation struck against Detroit's three main automakers reduced manufacturing employment, while wage inflation showed easing in the labor market for auto workers. The Department of Labor Statistics Bureau said the Friday's close watch jobs report that non-farm payrolls data rose by 150,000 last month. September non-farm payrolls data were lower to 297,000 from 336,000. Economist survey by the agency had forecast non-farm payrolls rise by 180,000 in October. The economy needs to create about 100,000 jobs a month to keep up with the working age population. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported last week that at least 30,000 UAW members went on strike during the survey of business agencies for October employment report. Average hourly earnings rose 0.2% in October, down from 0.3% in September, in a sign of cooling wage inflation. In the 12 months to October, wages rose 4.1% after a 4.3% rise in September. The unemployment rate rose to 3.9% from 3.8%. The weak labor market performance reinforced the market expectations that the U.S. economy is at the edge of a recession. Therefore, the Fed may stop raising interest rates or may even realize the need to lower the interest rate, which have caused the gains in the U.S. stock market today. This is all I have, and thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next episode.